Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase currency items on Dress to Impress. So if you can't find them anywhere, it's because they are here. So go to the icon here. You can select this one in the middle. Then you're going to select the third icon. These are the currency items that they have stored away, and you're just going to purchase the one that you want. So the strawberry dress is still here. The summer ruffle dress is still there. So to find it, when you've purchased it, go to one of the dressing rooms here and just go here. Select this icon and you'll find all of the currency items that you bought. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.